Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make your EA account private. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make EA account private. First thing you need to do is open up your EA account. And once you're here, click on the top right and go down and you will see settings. After clicking on settings, click on manage. Once click on the manage, this will pop up. And once this pop up, go down below security, you will see privacy settings and click on the privacy settings. As you can see right now, we're at the privacy settings. So you can see there's a profile privacy. So who can see my profile detail and may be included in a friend recommendation. So right now, we're gonna choose no one. So to make it very private, we're gonna choose no one. And as you can see, allow users who can see my profile to view my achievements. As you can see, automatically is X because I put it to no one. But if I put in friends of friends, this will still be checked. But I can uncheck that, as you can see. But right now, we're going to make it very private, so I'm going to click no one. And right here, you can see allow users to search for me by you can use email, Pinterest Steam account, Xbox, or Nintendo. So right now, I'm gonna X those to make it very private account. And there you go. Then click update. Once I click on update, this will be applied. All of these changes I made here will be applied. So yeah, there you go. So guys, that's how you to make your account private. I hope you guys enjoy the video and hope you guys like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.